Okay. This is the situation right now here in Kangchup, in which the Meitei Arambai Tengol, they infiltrate on our side and start attacking to our Kukizo community who were protecting themselves and who were guarding themselves, and they are now retaliated by our volunteers and who hold the arms. And the Meitei media will say once again that Kuki refugees started attacking on them. This is a complete liar fact which is always propagated day and night by the Meitei media. Let the whole world know that we never infiltrate on the other side, in which the Meitei, the Arambai Tengol and the terrorists, they keep on attacking on our side.